Advertisement. Continue reading below. Harry Potter fans will get another glimpse into the wonderful wizarding world thanks to the arrival of a new audiobook this autumn. Audible has announced the release of its latest Harry Potter original, titled Harry Potter: A History of Magic. The non-fiction audiobook, published by Pottermore Publishing, will be launched on the 4th of October, and best of all, it will feature the familiar voice of another fantasy franchise. Natalie Dormer, best known for her role as Marjorie Tyrell in Game of Thrones, has been confirmed as the narrator of the recording that reflects the 2017 British Library exhibition of the same name. "I've always adored the Harry Potter books, but it wasn't until I started speaking with the British Library's curators, hearing about the various myths, legends and cultures that have helped shape the wizarding world, that I really began to appreciate the richness and depth of J.K. Rowling's writing," said Dormer of her new role. "There are so many wonderful details to explore, and a history of magic unearths some remarkable gems that are sure to have listeners awestruck. It's been fun to join the Wizarding World family." The new audiobook will cover hidden stories from the history of magic, along with the manuscripts and spells that have inspired J.K. Rowling's work, says Audible. From Ethiopian charms and Chinese oracle bones, to the story of Nicholas Flamel and Smelly Nellie's Black Moon Crystal Ball, listeners will be transfixed by tales of magical history and mystical traditions from all over the world, many of which they will recognize from the Harry Potter books that they know and love, the company has revealed. It will also feature interviews with Stephen Fry, narrator of the 7-book series, and curators from the British Library and New York Historical Society in the U.S., where the History of Magic exhibition will open this October. Avid audiobook listeners can pre-order Harry Potter: A History of Magic at audible.co.uk/historyofmagic. Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.